KPIs, which are key performance indicators. What is driving your business every day? How many leads are coming in? How many conversions on those leads? What is the cost for a lead? What is our revenue per lead? What does it take for us to acquire a customer? What is the lifetime value of that customer? When I sell them one thing and I'm selling them other things, it's not a $100 sell. Can we all agree that if I sell somebody to a $100 subscription every month and they stay 6 months, it's not a $100 customer. That is a $600 customer. And so when I go to buy media online on Facebook and people are like, oh, I've got to acquire this customer for $50 because I'm only getting 100 from them in the cart, you will lose. Because a guy like me who knows the math will come in and say, I'll pay 300 and I'll lose for the first 3 months to make the money on the back end. That's the importance of numbers. Write this down. Math is the language of business. You tell yourself you're not good at math, change it. Get good. You're not a victim. Improve your skills. When you can manage your business through a dashboard, KPIs, and understand fundamentally what is happening in real time, you can scale a business and you become undeniable, because most won't. I can't tell you when people run up and down the street and go flip a house or go do this or go do that, and I ask them, hey, do you have a P&L? Nope. How do you run your business? Out of my checking account. If I have money in the checking account, I must be doing okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, good luck with that. It's not a business. That's a hustle.